Merry Christmas! I am in my festive little attire and I wanted to share my Christmas home tour for this year. Things were a little bit different this year. I was part of a historic home tour. There were 8 houses and 4 buildings that were on it. It's something that our historical society does every couple years as a fundraiser for the historical society. So we were happy to be a part of it. It went really well. We didn't know what to really expect. Hundreds of people came through. I'm not sure what the final count ended up being, but it was right around 500 people over the course of 2 days, which is crazy. So as you can imagine, having those many people come through the house, you really want to be on your A game with your decorating, which I love to decorate, you know. So I want to take you on a tour of how it was decorated for the home tour and how it's decorated for Christmas this year. I did both downstairs and upstairs. I wanted it to feel like a very classic Christmas, classic colors with a bit of whimsy and fun. Allender's barking, family's here. This one just got home. The rest of the family's coming. Are you excited for Christmas?
Yes, it's in 2 days.
Ah! What's Santa? What do you want Santa to bring you?
An Apple Watch.
Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see if Santa thinks you've been a good enough girl. Oh, Daddy is here. Magnolia's here. Come here, Magnolia. Come here. Come here. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the home tour and Merry Christmas.
Everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. Does it's